Hello, I am Arti. Today, let's create a new dragonfly with leaves. Here, I used 4 leaves, 2 big and 2 small leaves. Here, I used 3 colors yellow, orange, and red. Mix it together well. It will give a beautiful cosmic red and a sunset vibe color. It will be so beautiful. Now take a big leaf and paint it with the help of brush. Here, place the leaf as shown. Press it gently towards the edge. Wait for 2 seconds. 1, 2. Remove the leaf. Now take the small leaf and paint it as well with the help of brush. Now place it below as shown, gently, and slowly press the leaf towards its edge. Wait for 2 seconds. 1, 2. Remove the leaf. Repeat the same process on the other side. It's done. Now place it slowly as shown. And gently press towards its edge. Wait for 2 seconds. Now remove it, and our dragonfly is ready. Thank you.